What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff, and Aurora Cannabis jumped nearly 14% yesterday after billionaire activist Nelson Peltz joins the team as an advisor. So over the past couple of weeks, guys, all of the coverage coming in on Aurora has been very bullish, and it's showing in the stock price. So I'm almost a little scared of that in a way. You know, usually they tell you buy on the rumor and sell on the news, right? So when too many good things are happening to your company all at once, it's probably time to sell. I have no plans to sell, but I don't know as though I want to add at these levels. My positions are looking wonderful right now. I have ACB in nearly every portfolio I own, and it has been a firecracker over the past 2 weeks. So what we're going to talk about in this video, guys, we're going to get into Nelson Peltz a little bit. We're going to pinpoint why Aurora brought him in as an advisor and what value he can really add to the long-term growth of ACB. Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications. And please drop a like on this video, guys. I really appreciate all the support. We are getting a very mixed day in the market. Of course, Aurora has ticked back about 1% today, but still holding very close to that $9 level that it hit yesterday. On Tuesday, Aurora closed at $7.92. Then news hit of Aurora bringing in Nelson Peltz Wednesday morning, and ACB almost immediately traded up well over $9 a share in pre-market, and that's about as hot as it gets. It has actually pulled back and slowed down, but held that nice 10% gain that it took from the day before. It did trade to roughly $9.20 yesterday in after hours. The market has cooled off. We're getting kind of a mixed day, but in 5 days time, guys, Aurora has grown 18.34%, so it has been a really good week for Aurora. Alright, so meet Mr. Nelson Peltz. This is Aurora Cannabis's new partner, and he is the Chief and Executive Officer and founding partner of Tryon since November 2005. Now guys, this guy has got a track record that is about a mile long, okay? He has served as the director of Procter & Gamble Company, Cisco Corporation, and the Madison Square Garden. He served as director of H.J. Heinz Company from September 2006 to June of 2013. He was with Legg Mason Incorporated from October 09 to December 2014. Ingersoll Rand from August 2012 to June of 2014. And then MSG Networks from December of 2014 to September of 2015. Now, like I said, this is a very strategic move for Aurora, and I just really hit some of the main things he's done going back over the past couple of years. But really, this man has held an executive role since the early 1980s. So he's bringing a lot of experience and a big knowledge of wealth to Aurora Cannabis. So where Mr. Peltz will add value to Aurora is his deep knowledge in the consumer goods industry. That's where he has focused most of his investments. Like I said, he has multi-billion-dollar funds that include a $3.6 billion stake in Procter & Gamble, an $884 million stake in Mondelez, and a $471 million investment in Wendy's. And he also held a nearly $2 billion stake in PepsiCo that he sold in 2016. And obviously, Aurora sees a lot of growth in the consumer goods industry, but they also want to diversify into other areas as well. And then CNBC actually talked to Michael Singer, that's Aurora's executive chairman, and he's really focusing on potential growth areas in consumer packaged goods. But he also went on to talk about the beverage industry, cosmetics, wellness, and even pharmaceuticals. So Nelson Peltz will be a very valuable asset to get Aurora to transition into all of these industries. And so I guess for a moment, guys, I can assume the role that maybe you are not invested in ACB yet. And if you want to go off the highs from October of 2018, when Aurora got well over $11 a share and was close to hitting 12, I think we are quickly on a recovery to getting back to those levels and probably taking out those all-time highs. You know, now how quickly will we get there? I really don't think it will be long. A lot of that just depends on how bullish the market is. You know, and these days where the market can't figure out what direction it's going, they really don't bode well, you know, for the MJ stocks. Seems like the MJ stocks get hit a little harder than most all the other industries. You know, when we are in a strong market, they also tend to grow a lot faster. But if I didn't have a position in Aurora, would I be willing to pay $8.95 a share? And guys, absolutely. I still think Aurora is a buy here at this level. You know, on one hand, I would like to tell you to wait for it to cool off a little bit and then try to jump in. But just as soon as I say that, it will be at $9.50, possibly $10 again. So anyways, guys, that's all I got for the video. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think about Aurora's new addition to their management team. I would really like to hear what everybody's got to say about that. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. And as always, have a great day.